Hey there! In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to import your Heroku Scheduler jobs into Cron To Go for a quick migration. You may be wondering why one might want to move from an awesome free add-on to a paid one. Well, just to name a few reasons. You may need a production-grade scheduler, more flexible scheduling, or notifications when things go bad. We've compiled a comparison between Heroku Scheduler and Cron To Go, which is linked below. To begin the migration, we'll install Cron To Go in our app by typing in Cron, picking the plan, and submitting the form. Once installed, click Cron To Go to open the dashboard. Click Import Jobs and select Heroku Scheduler from the list of available sources. Next, open a terminal window and type in Heroku authorization token to get an API token for use during the import process. It's only used for the import process and isn't stored long term. If you need help setting up the Heroku CLI, check out the link in the comments below for more info. Copy the token and go back to Cron To Go and paste it to start the import process. The list of jobs from Heroku Scheduler will be displayed. The newly created jobs will all be disabled so they won't collide with the jobs triggered by Heroku Scheduler. All that's left to do is click the button to start the import process. You'll see the jobs being created, and when they're done, you can go back to the dashboard to view and modify them. To enable a job, click the menu item and then Resume Job. Last but not least, Heroku Scheduler doesn't let you disable or enable jobs, so either prefix your Heroku Scheduler commands with the # or uninstall Heroku Scheduler completely. Thanks for tuning in. We've got plenty of other handy tutorials at your disposal explaining other features and actions applicable to Cron To Go. Feel free to check those out. Happy importing, and we hope to catch you in the next one.